What have we done for the ride of the new Triumph Tiger? It comes with our iconic triple engine and that instantly recognisable Triumph triple exhaust note. The triple's unique to Triumph in the adventure segment. At 95 brake horsepower, it's the most powerful engine available in the middleweight adventure class.
Bike really just digs in. So much drive, so much power, responsive.
The triple format gives the torque-laden drive characteristics of a twin with the free revving power curve of an inline four, so you can really make the most of the chassis capability, whether at low speed, off-road, or cruising on a cross-country tour. This is an engine that really feels alive, with instant drive at any point in the rev range. And we've made a number of improvements to the engine to make this new Tiger our cleanest Triumph triple ever.
Woo, a little kick out there, and it grips again, and we're off. So much power.
Its revised ports increase tumble and deliver a more efficient fuel burn. In addition, secondary air injection into the exhaust improves the fuel-air mix of the engine. This gives it a more willing feel, which of course is further enhanced by the responsiveness of its ride-by-wire throttle. The addition of a larger radiator, improved air ducting and a more efficient fuel mix means the new Tiger runs even cooler. There's just so much to like about the engine in this new Tiger.
Trust me, this is no ordinary adventure bike.